you're gonna get. Calm down. Calm down. Hey. You feel the cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then tighten like up on the cup and then squeeze. Yep. Yep. The higher up you go with your hand, the more it'll come out.
Yeah.
Higher up and then make a bigger cup. Yeah.
Oh.
And then just squeeze from there. So try it. Try it. Oh, she doesn't have a lot. Let me see if she can. Yeah,
She doesn't
so
have a lot.
go like that.
Oh.
No, so it's a reflex. Push your hand up and make a cup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then, yeah, now if you squeeze like that.
Oh, yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
But keep, if it's not coming out, keep pushing
Oh,
up.
okay. Yep.
Yeah. You could squeeze this.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah, you could squeeze harder. Yep. So you don't want to, so you see how you're going like that and you're blocking it? You want to keep this.
Okay.
And then while you keep that, you want to
Squeeze. Okay, okay. Yay!
like that. You want to keep that cup. Yeah. And really squeeze.
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
You don't want to restrict it.
Got it. Yay! Yay! Finally.
Is it going?
Going, yes.
Yep. That's it.
Yes.
It takes a little bit of...
A little bit of... Yeah. Yay! This is good. But it takes a little bit of energy, right?
Oh my god.
Yeah.